welcome friends. I am Maida Said and you are watching Kingdom Information YouTube channel. In our previous video, you have learned about how to log in WhatsApp account in your new mobile. Today we will let you know about how to install Instagram quickly. Before moving towards our topic, please tap subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. Let's move to our mobile screen. First you have to go to Play Store, open it. Write down Instagram in search box on top side of screen. Enter the search button. So Instagram icon appears on your screen. Tap on install button along with Instagram icon. You just have to wait for a second. Downloading will be completed in seconds and install will be started automatically. That's it. You have learned how to install Instagram very easily and quickly. This video will be very useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe more and more my videos.